Hello students, hope you are doing well. The B.Tech program in Data Science and Engineering is a popular course that trains engineering graduates to be skilled data scientists. The emphasis is on core data science subjects along with the related computational mathematics, statistics, and computer science subjects. The program introduces students to the various application domains like finance, business, and healthcare, wherein data science can be used to make informed decisions. In this video, we'll talk about the important details for B.Tech Data Science course such as eligibility, admission process, fee, career prospects, colleges, etc. Before moving forward, let us know a bit about B.Tech Data Science course. Bachelor's in Data Science or B.Tech in Data Science is a 4-year and undergraduate degree program offered by various universities and institutions under the technology program. B.Tech in Data Science teaches the students how to combine machine learning techniques, algorithms, tools, business acumen, and mathematics and apply on raw data to extract useful information from it. In short, technology, algorithm development, and data interferences are blended together to solve complex problems analytically in data science. Throughout the entire duration of the program, the students are taught how to amalgamate business knowledge, tools, and statistics to generate business value in creative ways. Now, let us look at some of the important highlights for B.Tech Data Science course. The level of the program is undergraduate. The duration of the program is of 4 years. As per the eligibility criteria, the candidates with a minimum aggregate of 70% in their 10+2 qualifying exam and 60% in PCB or PCM combined are eligible. The admission is based on the entrance test or merit based. The average course fee for the course is around 1,80,000 and the average starting salary is around 5 lakhs per annum. Some of the common job profiles include data visualizers, data science consultant, data architects, database administrators, data engineers, etc. Now, let us look at the eligibility criteria which the candidates need to fulfill for B.Tech Data Science admission. To be eligible for admission into the B.Tech in Data Science program, the applicants must have cleared their class 12th qualifying exam from a recognized board with at least 70% aggregate, or they must have cleared their 10th exam from a recognized board with at least 60% aggregate for diploma. The candidates who have secured at least 60% aggregate in PCM plus computer science or PCB combined are also eligible for application. The candidates must have secured at least 50% in maths at the qualifying level exam. Now, let us look at the admission process for B.Tech's Data Science course. There are several national level, state level, and institute level entrance exams for admission into the B.Tech Data Science program. In this process, the eligible candidates appear in one of the entrance exams and apply for admission into the course on the basis of their entrance exam score. The officials shortlist the potential candidates and conduct counseling rounds, even personal interview and group discussion rounds to offer seats to the most suitable candidates. Thereafter, the selected candidates have to submit the admission fee and confirm their admission to the program. The candidates are also provided admission on the basis of merit obtained in their class 12th exam on the basis of management quota. There are various entrance exams that are conducted for admission to B.Tech Data Science course, which include JEE Main, UPSC, SUAT, UPES Engineering Aptitude Test, that is UPESEAT, etc. Now, let us look at the syllabus for B.Tech Data Science course. For the first year syllabus, there are subjects such as Principles of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Computer Aided Design and Drafting, Engineering Physics, Maths, Programming for Problem Solving, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and Soft Skill. The second year syllabus consists of subjects such as Building Essential Language and Life Skills, OOPS using Java, Data Structures using C, Computer Organization and Architecture, Discrete Structures, Introduction to Biology for Engineers, Applied Statistical Analysis, industrial internship, and project-based learning. The third year of syllabus consists of subjects such as data mining, open elective, project-based learning, program elective, technical skill enhancement course, artificial intelligence, and compiler design. The last year of syllabus consists of subjects such as big data analysis, universal human ethics and values, open elective, program elective, and the final project and internship. Let us now look at the B.Tech Data Science career options and job prospects. With a B.Tech degree in data science, a candidate can get hired as a clinical and pharmaceutical analyst, data science consultant, data engineer, data architect, data technology specialist, financial modeler, data ecologist, data visualizer, and database administrator. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any question regarding the course, you can find me at the provided link. Also, if you are looking for direct admission in the engineering courses in any state, you can also fill the common application form on the provided link. For more updates on engineering courses and admissions, stay tuned to College Deco. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.